Alright, so I was doing laundry the other day and it dawned on me that the way I store my shirts is a way that I actually really like a lot, and it's nothing completely new. I roll my t-shirts to be able to put more in a certain space. I don't pack them really tight like, you know, you've seen videos about them doing that for traveling or military. I don't do anything that crazy. But what I do is something that helps me save space, and also I can easily identify the shirt, because sometimes when you roll them up, especially if you have a lot of shirts that are the same color, it's hard to differentiate which shirt is what. So, alright, so I first start out by taking the shirt and situating it like if I was going to fold it. So I grab the corners there, flip it over, and I grab these two corners, flip that over. So now you have a nice flattened shirt with the hole for your head and your sleeves to one side, and of course the bottom on the other side. Then I fold that in half. So now you see the graphic still on the shirt. And the side that is open, I will roll that up. Not too tight, because then your shirt will get too wrinkled, but just tight enough to where it becomes a nice, neat little t-shirt roll. Anyway, quick little video about how I roll up my shirts. Maybe be useful, could be. So, enjoy.